The most delicious meal, get these large portobello mushrooms and take out the gills, cook some shrimp, then get some stuffing and cream cheese, put that on top, and then bake it for like 40 minutes. I'm also adding garlic salt to these, and then you add cheese on the very top. The best! I had some extra shrimp, so I did some baby ones as well. Now going in my air fryer after the cheese is on for about 40 to 60 minutes. I'm going to check on them. Don't they look delicious? You know they're done when the mushroom is cooked all the way. Ooh, that looks awesome. Happy dinner.